Daniel unlocks the power of your documents with Claude.ai. This is a step-by-step guide on how to make the most out of your documents. Enter Claude.ai, a revolutionary platform designed to help you do just that. This robust tool uses advanced natural language processing to understand, analyze, and provide insights from your documents, all in real time. And the best part? It's free to use. Whether you're dealing with PDFs, Word documents, spreadsheets, or even images and diagrams, Claude.ai has got you covered. Now let's get started on how you can upload your documents to Claude.ai. Uploading documents to Claude.ai is a breeze. Begin by heading over to the Claude.ai website and signing up for an account. Don't worry, it's completely free. Once you've successfully created your account, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Spot the upload button, click on it, and you're already halfway there. Now, it's time to select your document. Simply drag and drop your file into the upload area. Alternatively, you can click on Choose File to browse for a document on your computer. It supports a variety of file formats, from PDFs and Word documents to spreadsheets and more. The upload process is quick and seamless. And the best part? Once the upload is complete, your document immediately appears in your document library. You'll have instant access to it any team you need. Now that you've uploaded your document, let's explore how to ask questions about it. Claude.ai makes magic happen. Now you have a personal assistant right at your fingertips. Imagine this. You've uploaded a document and now you have a question about its content. No need to pore over pages of text. Just click on the document in your library and voila. You can talk to him as if you were talking to the person who wrote the document, and he simply explains to you everything that is written or related to it. Simply type your question into the chat box and press enter. Claude.ai springs into action, analyzing the document and providing a response in real time. Stumped by a complex paragraph? Or perhaps you're after a quick summary? Claude.ai has got you covered. You can even ask follow-up questions, and Claude.ai will use the context of the document to provide relevant answers. Claude.ai is a powerful tool that can answer questions, summarize key points, extract specific information, and even generate related content based on your uploaded documents. Claude.ai is packed with key features that make it stand out. This intelligent AI is excellent at math, complex questions, and even programming. The platform can handle documents of varying sizes and supports a plethora of file formats. Its advanced natural language processing capability enables it to answer questions, summarize key points, and even generate related content from your uploaded documents. It's also capable of recognizing and interpreting mathematical equations and visual elements, providing you with comprehensive insights. To sum up, Claude.ai offers robust document handling capabilities, allowing you to explore and gain insights from a wide range of file types, sizes, and content. For more, just follow us on aaniti.ai.